Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to save Google Form responses as PDF. So let's get started. So if you want to save your Google Form responses, then what you can do is just simply open up your Google Forms. So open up your browser and then type in forms.google.com, and that will open up your Google Forms. And now just select the form that will print the responses from. And after selecting it, now you will find this response option in the top of your screen. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can see all responses. So now if you want to save them as a PDF, what you can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icons on the top right. And after tapping on that, here you will find this option that says download responses.csv. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you have successfully downloaded your responses. Now if you just tap on the small file icon, and now if you just tap on the small file icon, you give it the page where your responses have been saved. So what you have to do is just simply extract that response. So you just tap on extract all, and then tap on extract. And after extracting it, here you can see guys, the form has been successfully created and then saved in my files. So in this way you can save your forms, and on print, then what you have to do is just simply right click on it, and after right clicking, now you will find this print button. Just tap on print, and after tapping on print, it says the print that will be printed, and after tapping on print, your form will be printed. So in this way, you can save your responses as PDF. So that's it guys, this is how to save Google Form responses as PDF. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.